Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickled onions. First, select small, firm pickling onions, ideally 2 to 3 centimeters across. Carefully peel them, keeping the root end attached to maintain their shape. Next, prepare a simple brine by dissolving 100 grams of salt in 1 liter of cold water. Submerge your peeled onions completely in this solution. Let them soak for at least 24 hours or up to 48 hours to draw out excess moisture and begin the pickling process. Now, let's prepare the flavorful pickling vinegar. In a saucepan, combine 500 milliliters of good quality malt vinegar with 100 grams of granulated sugar. This balance creates that classic sweet and tangy profile. Feel free to add your favorite pickling spices. A teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few black peppercorns work wonderfully. Gently heat the mixture until the sugar completely dissolves, then remove it from the heat. It's crucial to let this spiced vinegar cool down entirely before the next step. With your onions brined and vinegar ready, it's time for jarring. First, ensure your glass jars and lids are perfectly sterilized. A hot wash in the dishwasher or boiling water works well. Rinse the brined onions thoroughly under cold water to remove excess salt, then pat them completely dry. Pack these dry onions tightly into your clean, sterilized jars, leaving about 1 centimeter of space at the top. Finally, pour the cooled pickling vinegar over the onions, making sure every onion is fully submerged in the liquid. Once your jars are filled, seal them tightly with their sterilized lids. Store these jars in a cool, dark place, such as a pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight. Patience is key here. Allow your pickled onions to mature for at least 4 to 6 weeks. This resting period is essential for the flavors to fully develop and meld beautifully. Once you open a jar, remember to keep it refrigerated and enjoy your homemade pickled onions within a few weeks for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.